Hi and welcome back to the channel to another week. Hello and welcome back to the channel. As promised in my first video, I will show you today how I make stickers myself at home. So yeah, as mentioned, the Rallye Monte Carlo stickers have to disappear from the car. So I have one on the front, one on the back and two each of the sides. I will remove them just quickly now. I will not show how I'm gonna remove them because it's too boring. So yeah, we'll put the new ones together on the car later. So this I will show how I'm gonna do this. So yeah, see you in 1 second. Hi, welcome on my computer. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how I make the stickers myself. I am using in this case and every other cases usually I use Google. Yeah, like I want to find the Shell logo, so I click on pictures. I'm searching for the picture, whatever I like it. Let's take this as an example. I actually have done this already, so the picture is on my computer. Yeah, let's say I like this one. I want this picture to be plotted in my machine. So I save it as an image on my computer. Once I've done it, I will open Silhouette Studio. In my case it's version 4.5. I'm using a Silhouette Portrait 3, third generation it's basically. And yeah, here I have my area, my plotting area. So I simply open the file I want to plot here, or not the file, the image. Here I have the possibility to resize it, whatever size you want to have. You go to resize it in here, and important is you still have a picture, so we are not able to plot multicolors at once. This is the reason why we have to cut out the silhouette, which you will find here. So we're gonna mark the area we want to plot. As you can see now, this is incorrect. We'll do it again because we missed a little thing. So we mark the area, so actually our graphic, and we tell him to take silhouette from this. As you can see right now, he took the outlines of the actual graphic. So this is the silhouette, and yeah, this is it almost. It's a very simple example. Yeah, this is not a tutorial, it's just to show you how I work on or with my plotter. So again, you have the possibility now to resize it. In my case it was around about 150 millimeters on the bright side. 139 it automatically scales like this once you take it on here on 150. Yeah, so this is it already actually. Only one thing what you have to do, you have to get your plotter connected. You click on sending up in the right corner. So once you have the plotter connected, my plotter is not standing here in the office where I am right now. So this is the reason why it's showing it couldn't find the settings. But yeah, it's gonna be thick lines here on your graphic, which you actually going to plot. So these are the lines what your plotter identified and what your plotter is going to cut into the foil you enter. One important thing I would like to mention, I have a lot of multicolor sticker on my car, which are multi-layer sticker. So they are not one layer sticker, they're not printed. They are plotted in few parts. So it means, for example, my Marlboro logo is on a white background with black letters. So this is the reason why the plotter is only able to cut from one foil and you have multi-layer stickers. And this is it actually. Like I say, it's just a quick overview, quick showing how I do the stickers. You still have the possibility here to again put it in a new position. So whenever you have cutted your foil, if you have foil on the roll, then yeah, you're probably going to cut multiple of them. And in my case, I have cutted the foil on, I think, 250, so somewhere around about here is gonna be my cut, but it doesn't matter for the long size. Important is the bright size. And how it looks like on the plotter, you will see just in 1 second. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna leave my computer again, and I will show you how I plot the stickers, and we will put them also on the car. If you have any questions, I would like to read them in the comment section. I will be happy to answer on any questions. Yeah, see you in a second.
A few moments later.
So taking off everything around what we have cutted with the plotter before, and taking off the foil all around the actual form. Putting together the third layer from the sticker, the Matchbox sticker, in this case actually the letters. And yeah, ready, done is the sticker. We'll put it on the car. So same for all stickers. Cleaning a little bit, make sure it is straight, and put it on. Easy and simple. We're not a professional, wrapping company, obviously, but this is the way how I do it. I try to get better and better. And yeah, for me it's nice, I like it. And until now, I never get a problem with losing stickers on motorways. Okay. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next week for the next video. Bye.